Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. Today in this video I will tell you how the gold can move in the next week. See, if we look at this chart, we can see that the gold is continuously in an uptrend. Okay, this is the chart where we can see that it is continuously in uptrend. If you look at in the previous month, we can see that after a downfall it was moving in a particular region. Okay, and from there it is continuously in upside. If you look at as of now, we can see that now it is moving in this particular region. Okay, in this particular range. So what I have already told you, that if something will go up, it will not go directly like this. Okay, what it will do, it will halt for some time and then it will move back, or it can bounce back from there in the same way. If it is going down, then it will halt for some time, it will then go down, or it can bounce back from there. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, and please watch the full video, and if you would like to join my Telegram channel, you can join. I have given a link in the description. See, now what we can see here is that after making a low at this point, it is continuously in upside. Okay, and after this upside, if you look at this chart, we can see this is the range where the market was moving. The gold price was moving from 25th of May till 4th of Jan. In the full 2 weeks, the gold price was moving in this particular region. Why it is moving? Because it has already touched its month's high. If you look at this chart, we have not seen this 9014 or 13 at this level since a month, since April. Okay, so what it has to do, if you look at this chart, it come down from this, it came down, from this it came down, and whenever it made a high, it came down. But after touching its month high, it came down now. So look at this chart. Okay, so if you look at this chart, we can see that after it bounced back from its resistance, it came down, and now again it is moving in this particular range. Okay, so what we can expect here, see, this range is moving, I'll tell you, from 3rd Jan to 4th Jan. It is moving in this particular range. So what it implies, that once this range is break upside, that means if the price of gold moves above 1875, then there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 1887, and from there it can touch a level of 1900. Okay, or before that it can touch a level of 1887, and from there it can touch a level of 1895, and from there it can touch a level of 1900. You getting me what I'm saying? Okay, after 1900 there is a probability it can touch a level of 1904, and once 1904 it touch, then we can expect 1909, and from there we can expect that it can touch a level of 1917 also. But suppose if this trend goes downside, and if it crosses below and goes below 1863, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 1854, and once 1854 is touched, then there is a high probability that it can go much lower than this and can touch a level of 1843. Okay, because we have seen that this is a 2 resistance point here which is already tested. So if it comes close to 1864, then there is a probability that it can break a level of 1856 also. Okay, after touching a level of 1861. Okay, if it crosses the level of 1864, then it can break a level of 1861, and from there it can touch a level of 1856, and can break that level and can come to a level of 1843. And once if 1843 is come, then it can bounce back from there, or if it breaks this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1839 to a level of 1834. But as of now, what I'm looking, that this range has to be break upside or downside. But because we have seen that the trend is now this way. Okay, because only till the time if it crosses the level of 1889, we can see a good upside. or if it goes below a level of 1856, if it goes below a 1863, then we can expect that it can go below a level of 1856, and from there it can touch a level of 1850 also. You getting me? This is what you have to understand, that we can see a little bit of downside trend after 2nd of Jan, because there is a sharp fall and because there is a pattern is forming here. Okay, and the resistance, the support has got support got break this at this point. So there's the gold price is moving in this particular range. So I summarize that if it goes below 1863, then we'll be looking for a target of 1854, and once 1854 is touched, then we can if it crosses this level, then we'll be looking for a target of 1843, and if it stays below that level, then we can see a level of 1836 to a level of 1829. So, or if it goes above a level of 1875, then we're looking for a target of 1879 to a level of if it goes above that level, then we'll be looking for a target of 1888. Once 1888 is touched, then we can see a level of 1900 also, and then we can see an upside. And you can check my, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at Stock Market Trading Live. Or see, look at this, so then we can see an upside if it goes above 1900. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe.